Okay, hi guys. Welcome to my tube. Today is raining day. I guess I'm not gonna have any customer. It's so slow. It's boring. I couldn't go out and make a video anymore. So, you know what I'm gonna do today? Well, today, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna, I'm gonna cut my hair. Gonna cut my hair today. This, you can see it's raining. Yeah. See that? Oh, that foot massage. At the board of the foot massage. Yeah, pretty much. No customer. I'm lonely in the alley. Anybody out there wanna come and talk with me? Wanna have some coffee? I work like right next to Dunkin' Donuts. We've been drinking Dunkin' Donuts. Well, and then we work one block from Starbucks on Cedar Road. So it's boring. No customer. It's slow, but it's okay. As long as I can be on the video with you guys, I'm not lonely. I'm happy. You know, even though I say I don't make money, but I'm happy. Oh my god. It looks sad. It's raining. It was a couple of days ago. It was raining. It's sunny. There's no rain today. It's raining. I want to go to the beach. Take me to the beach, guy. It's sunny. Where's my sunny? Hello. Where's my sun? Sun, where my sun, baby? Oh god, look, the street's dead. Nobody coming out. Only the worker though. See it? Ooh, it's beautiful. Look at the sky. Oh, it's so beautiful, but it's not beautiful like a couple of days ago. You see the so cloudy, little rain. Let's take you to those trees in the back. Okay? I don't know what about you guys, but I love trees. You know, I mean, I love trees. That's why I always go into the park. It's beautiful back there. See it? See these trees? These trees are beautiful. Look at these trees. See it? Oh my god. They're so healthy this time of the year. Look at this. Look at this tree. Oh, it's so healthy. I hate winter. With all this leaf gonna die. Look at this. Oh my god, I should come down here. Oh. Oh. I see. Somebody put an Asian herb down here. Oh my god. These are Asian herb. Look at this. Ripley. Oh my god. These in my country. We eat them. Oh my god. Hmm. You know these? We go rau rắp cá. They go wow in there. I should put some mint now in there. Oh. Bunch of them. That's a bunch of them. Soy's back there's a good. Anyway, it's raining. We can't go out and make a video. So today I guess I'm gonna cut my hair.